Hello, my name is Rohini. Now I will interpret this video into Indonesia to make the message clear and easy to understand.
Hi, I am Chloe Hammonds. I am a sophomore studying psychology and criminology. I am from Lumberton, North Carolina, and I am a proud member of the Lumbee tribe.
Hai, nama saya Chloe Hammonds. Saya adalah mahasiswa tahun kedua yang mempelajari psikologi dan kriminologi. Saya berasal dari Lumberton, North Carolina, dan saya adalah anggota suku Lumbee.
Last year, as a first-year Shelton Scholar, I had the opportunity to be a part of the Scholar Selection Committee, which allowed me to partake in the interview and application process. This past summer, I was a part of the Shelton Challenge, which was really cool to see a part of the center that I had never participated in before. And this year, I am a part of the Community Building Committee within the Scholars Program.
Tahun lalu sebagai Shelton Scholar tahun pertama, saya mendapat kesempatan menjadi bagian dari Scholar Selection Committee yang memungkinkan saya terlibat dalam proses wawancara dan seleksi aplikasi. Musim panas lalu saya mengikuti Shelton Challenge dan itu sangat menyenangkan karena saya bisa melihat sisi lain dari pusat tersebut yang sebelumnya belum pernah saya ikuti. Tahun ini saya menjadi bagian dari Community Building Committee dalam Scholar Program.
Within each of these programs, I have had the opportunity to learn valuable lessons from mentors and have the opportunity to serve others through selfless service. I was able to hone my leadership skills and continue to feed my passion for serving the community and making a meaningful impact.
Dari setiap program tersebut, saya berkesempatan belajar banyak hal berharga dari para mentor dan juga memiliki kesempatan untuk melayani orang lain melalui pelayanan tanpa pamrih. Saya dapat mengasah keterampilan kepemimpinan saya dan terus menumbuhkan semangat saya untuk mengabdi pada komunitas serta memberikan dampak yang bermakna.
I am most excited to learn from the other board members. It was really inspiring to see what the board has currently done and what they have already done. And so I am truly humbled and grateful to be a part of this decision-making process.
Saya paling bersemangat untuk belajar dari para anggota Dewan lainnya, sangat menginspirasi melihat apa yang telah dicapai Dewan sejauh ini, dan saya sungguh merasa rendah hati dan bersyukur dapat menjadi bagian dari proses pengambilan keputusan ini.
I'm excited to bring my experience and values as a young leader. I take pride in my background as an Indigenous woman from a rural community, and I have a passion for underrepresented populations as well as advocacy, so I think that is important insight that I can bring to the board.
Saya juga bersemangat membawa pengalaman dan nilai-nilai saya sebagai pemimpin muda. Saya bangga dengan latar belakang saya sebagai perempuan pribumi dari komunitas pedesaan, dan saya memiliki kepedulian besar terhadap kelompok yang kurang terwakili serta advokasi. Saya percaya bahwa itu adalah wawasan penting yang dapat saya bawa ke dalam Dewan.
Ethical leadership means to make decisions that are rooted in your values. It means to stand firm for who you are and what you represent, and to be unwavering in those values, and that is exactly what I strive to do daily as a young leader.
Bagi saya, ethical leadership berarti membuat keputusan yang berakar pada nilai-nilai yang kita pegang. Itu berarti teguh pada siapa diri kita dan apa yang kita wakili, serta tidak goyah dalam nilai-nilai tersebut. Itulah yang saya usahakan setiap hari sebagai pemimpin muda.
My favorite memory by far was our spring trip this past spring semester. We went to Da Nang, Vietnam, and it was so incredible to leave the country and to be able to serve in a completely new environment. I learned so much from those that we served with, and I am just so incredibly grateful to have been given the opportunity.
Kenangan favorit saya sejauh ini adalah perjalanan musim semi semester lalu. Kami pergi ke Da Nang, Vietnam, dan itu pengalaman yang luar biasa. Bisa keluar negeri dan melayani dalam lingkungan yang benar-benar baru. Saya belajar banyak dari orang-orang yang kami layani, dan saya sangat bersyukur telah diberi kesempatan tersebut. Okay everyone, in translating the video, I used a combination of strategies from Newmark and Vinay and Darbonate, and then I didn't translate word for word. Instead, I focus on keeping the meaning accurate while making the text sound natural in Indonesia. The first one, I applied communicative translation to make the message easy to understand, like translating selfless service into pelayanan tanpa pamrih, like that. And then I also used semantic translation to maintain the original meaning of key academic terms like ethical leadership, like that. And then I use cultural equivalent to adjust experience to fit Indonesia culture. For example, like changing rural community to komunitas pedesaan, like that. And then to make sentences flow more naturally, I applied modulation by adjusting the structure or perspective of the sentence, like that. And then I also used transposition to change grammatical forms when needed, and reduction and expansion to simplify or clarify certain phrase, like that. And then by combining these strategies, I ensure that translation was accurate, clear, and natural without losing the original message, like that. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.